Whether you're a carpenter, contractor, or DIY enthusiast, knowing the moisture content in wood is crucial. It can make the difference between a job well done and a costly mistake. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best digital wood moisture meters that combine precision, durability, and convenience. Let's jump in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Habotest HT632 Digital Wood Moisture Meter. The Habotest HT632 Digital Wood Moisture Meter is a professional-grade tool designed to accurately measure the moisture content in wood and plywood. Its compact size and portable design make it easy to carry and use in various settings, from construction sites to woodworking shops. The device features a high-definition color LCD display with backlight, ensuring that readings are clear and easy to operate even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the HT632 is its self-calibration capability, which enhances measurement accuracy and reliability. Users can quickly detect moisture levels through simple probe contact measurements, making the process straightforward and efficient. The meter is specifically designed for wood moisture measurement, providing precise results that are essential for ensuring the quality and longevity of wood materials. Energy efficiency is also a priority for the HT632. It includes an automatic power-off function that activates after 10 minutes of inactivity, conserving battery life without sacrificing readiness. To resume operation after shutdown, users only need to press any key, instantly restoring the device to its working state. Overall, the Habotest HT632 combines professional functionality with user-friendly design. Its portable size, clear display, and reliable moisture detection make it a valuable instrument for anyone needing to monitor wood moisture levels accurately and conveniently. Coming in at number 4, the GVDA GD153 Digital Wood Moisture Meter. The GVDA GD153 Digital Wood Moisture Meter is a versatile and reliable tool designed for accurately measuring the moisture content in wood and building materials. Utilizing DC resistance technology, it displays the moisture percentage directly, making it simple to understand the condition of the material. This meter comes pre-programmed with characteristic parameters for 7 different types of wood and construction materials, which helps ensure precise readings tailored to the specific material being tested. One of the key features of the GD153 is its ability to perform both single-point measurements and multi-point average measurements, providing flexibility depending on the user's needs. The device also includes a data hold function, allowing users to freeze the measurement on the display for easy recording and analysis. To further assist in data management, it tracks the maximum and minimum moisture values detected during use. Beyond moisture measurement, the GVDA GD153 is equipped to assess ambient conditions, including temperature and environmental humidity. This dual capability enables professionals to evaluate drying environments on site, ensuring materials are stored or processed under optimal conditions. Temperature readings can be switched between Celsius and Fahrenheit according to user preference. The meter features a tricolor backlight system, red, orange, and green, which visually indicates moisture levels at a glance, enhancing usability in various lighting conditions. It is designed with convenience in mind, incorporating an automatic shutdown function to conserve battery life and a low battery indicator to alert users when the device needs recharging or new batteries. Compact yet comprehensive, the GVDA GD153 Digital Wood Moisture Meter serves as an essential instrument for carpenters, builders, and inspectors who require precise moisture data to prevent material damage and ensure quality in construction and woodworking projects. At number 3, we have the Aneng GN601 Digital Wood Moisture Meter. The Aneng GN601 Digital Wood Moisture Meter is a reliable tool designed for accurately measuring the moisture content in wood and various building materials. Utilizing DC resistance technology, this meter provides direct readings of moisture levels expressed as a percentage, making it easy for users to assess the condition of materials on the spot. What sets the GN601 apart is its built-in database with characteristic parameters for 7 different types of wood and building materials, allowing for precise and tailored measurements that help determine if further drying is necessary. Beyond just moisture content, the GN601 also measures ambient humidity and temperature, offering a comprehensive evaluation of the drying environment. This feature is especially useful for professionals who need to monitor both the material and surrounding conditions to prevent issues like mold or structural damage. The device incorporates a high-precision digital temperature and humidity sensor, ensuring fast and accurate responses. Users can conveniently switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit units for temperature readings, catering to different regional preferences. The meter also includes practical features like an automatic shutdown after 10 minutes of inactivity, which helps conserve battery life. Powered by two 1.5V AAA batteries, the GN601 signals when battery levels are low, so users are never caught off guard. Additionally, the backlit bright screen enhances readability, making it suitable for use in various lighting conditions. Overall, the Aneng GN601 digital wood moisture meter is a compact, user-friendly instrument that offers precise measurements and essential environmental data, making it a valuable tool for woodworkers, builders, and inspectors aiming to ensure material quality and optimal drying conditions. Next up at number 2 is the Porometisto digital wood moisture meter. The Porometisto digital wood moisture meter is a versatile tool designed to accurately measure moisture levels in various materials, including drywall, masonry, softwood, and hardwood. Equipped with 4 specialized measurement modes, this device can also be adapted to assess other material types, making it suitable for a wide range of applications in construction, woodworking, and building maintenance. One of the key features of the Porometisto meter is its VA full viewing angle reverse display screen, which provides clear and easy-to-read data regardless of the viewing position. This design ensures that users can operate the device conveniently in different environments and lighting conditions. The meter utilizes advanced electromagnetic wave sensors to measure moisture content in objects thicker than 20 millimeters, with a required minimum surface area of 40 by 40 millimeters. This technology allows for reliable detection without damaging the tested materials, preserving their integrity while delivering accurate readings. For added flexibility, the device supports temperature unit conversions between Celsius and Fahrenheit, enabling users to quickly switch to the unit that best suits their preferences or project requirements. Moreover, the built-in temperature and humidity sensors provide ambient environmental data, helping users to understand not only the moisture within materials, but also the surrounding conditions that may affect those readings. Safety and alertness are enhanced by the over-range alarm function. When moisture levels exceed 70% in drywall and masonry, or surpass 20% in softwood and hardwood, the meter activates a buzzer to warn users. This feature helps prevent damage or mold issues by signaling when moisture content is critically high. Finally, at number 1, we have the R&D MT19C Digital Wood Moisture Meter. The R&D MT19C Digital Wood Moisture Meter is a practical and reliable tool designed to accurately measure moisture levels in wood and other materials. Featuring a large LCD display with backlight, this meter ensures clear visibility of readings in various lighting conditions, making it equally effective during the day or at night. One of the standout features of the MT19C is its detachable separate probe, which is built with high-intensity materials and designed to be very sharp for easy insertion into wood surfaces. This separate probe design not only enhances usability, but also allows for convenient replacement when needed. The probe can be disassembled and reinstalled easily using the included wrench, offering flexibility and ease of maintenance. To further support its use in low light or nighttime environments, the meter incorporates a built-in flashlight. This addition increases accuracy and safety, allowing users to perform measurements efficiently even in challenging lighting conditions. The moisture meter is powered by 3 AAA batteries, and the device alerts the user with a low battery indicator when it is time for a replacement, ensuring uninterrupted operation. Known for its high precision and sensitivity, the MT19C is versatile and suitable for detecting moisture in a wide range of materials, including wood, walls, cartons, and other building materials. Overall, the R&D MT19C digital wood moisture meter combines clear display technology, user-friendly probe design, and practical features like a flashlight and battery indicator to provide an efficient solution for moisture detection needs across various applications.